Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from WhisperNode here, and we're back at you again with another Injective ecosystem tutorial as part of our Ninja Newbie series. So in previous tutorials, we taught you guys how to get your hands on some INJ tokens on the exchange like Coinbase, how to withdraw those tokens to an EVM compatible wallet like MetaMask, and now we're going to show you how to bridge those Injective tokens from the Ethereum side in that EVM wallet over to the Injective side onto the Injective network, so you can then use those tokens in your Injective ecosystem dApps like Helix. So first thing we're going to do is head on over to the new bridge page. It's bridge.injective.network. And we're going to go to this easy deposit withdraw section. And I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet, which I've withdrawn about 10 Injective tokens from the Coinbase exchange to. So I'm going to connect my MetaMask. You may see a pop-up asking you to sign there. I've already done that, so it is now connected. And one thing to note, so if you look in your MetaMask wallet, you typically see that it's connected on the Ethereum mainnet here. And then I have my EVM Ethereum address here. And you might notice that when you're connecting to the bridge page, you're seeing your Injective address there. So that key from your Ethereum wallet is also generating a wallet on the Injective side over here. You can see that these 10 Injective tokens are in my MetaMask wallet on that Ethereum side in this address. I want to now bridge them onto the Injective network to this address. So that's what we're going to do here. I am going to select Ethereum, and then I'm going to select my asset. It could, I could be bridging any number of assets, any of these supported assets, USDT, wrapped Ethereum, USDE, Link, etc. For this tutorial, we're going to do Injective here. So I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to bridge over those 10.1 Injective tokens. And you can see that the recipient address here is locked. It is locked with that wallet address that is in my MetaMask. I could unlock that and put in another address here. So say I have a Kepler wallet or a Leap wallet. I could go to my Leap wallet here, for example. I could copy the Injective address, paste it here, and then confirm. And now, so if I do that, notice this recipient address ends in E2F, which is my Leap wallet address. So that is right here. So if I'm using this bridge, I can bridge to Kepler or Leap or a Cosmos native wallet. All I need to do is unlock this recipient address section, paste in my address there, and then click that review deposit. If I want to just go from the Ethereum network to the Injective network, but still use my MetaMask wallet, I can leave that as the default there. You can see that matches the DZ5 wallet that's connected. So let's just for now do the going to MetaMask here. So I'm going to click that button, and then I'm going to confirm that transaction. And going to the Injective network, you can see that the bridge fee is free. It is waived. Keep in mind that going back the other direction from Injective to Ethereum has a very, very expensive bridge fee. I believe it's around $50 right now. So we're going to do that in the second part of this tutorial, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So you're going to confirm here the transaction. You still do need to pay gas on the Ethereum network. So that's about $6 right now. And that is taking the Ethereum fee from the Ethereum in my MetaMask wallet. So if you're bridging, also make sure that you have some ETH in your MetaMask wallet for fees. So I'll give that a second here while it's pending. And this is going to pop up. It's going to take a little bit of time to confirm on Ethereum, then confirm on Injective, and then we'll get a message that it's complete. So sit tight here and we will be back in a second. All right, guys, looks like we got that message that our transaction has been confirmed. So now if I open up my MetaMask wallet here, you can see that the transaction is here on the Ethereum network. If I go to that token section, you can now see my balance reflects that those 10 Injective tokens were taken from the Ethereum network side of my wallet, and they are now on the Injective side of the wallet. So if I go back to that bridge page and I click the withdraw button, which would be withdrawing those tokens from the Injective network back onto the Ethereum network, you can see that if I click that refresh button, my balance now reflects 10.19999 Injective tokens. So those 10.1 tokens were transferred successfully to this MetaMask wallet here. Now, if I want to go through and withdraw these Injective tokens back to the Ethereum network, I can. So I would, again, just choose Ethereum, choose Injective, and then I would type in the amount of tokens that I want to transfer and move forward with that. So let's see what that looks like. So again, this is going back to the Ethereum network in my MetaMask wallet. This would be just in case you were trying to send to someone else on Ethereum, or you were trying to send to the exchange, which only accepted the ERC20 version. A bunch of different reasons you might have to bridge back the other way. And you can see that when I tried to do the 10.19 Injective tokens, I'm going to get 8.4 of those back on the Ethereum side. It's going to take a fee of 1.78 Injective tokens, which is around $50 for that fee. Using Ethereum is expensive. Ethereum bridges are very expensive, and that is what you pay for a bridge fee. So I'm going to confirm that, and we're going to go back the other way, back to Ethereum here. So I'm going to get that pop up there. Click sign. And that transaction has been submitted. And again, because it's using Ethereum, it's going to take a few minutes to complete. Do keep in mind that because of that bridge fee, if you hit the max button and you try to transfer all your Injective tokens back, you might get a pop-up that says insufficient funds in wallet or something along those lines. If you do get that pop-up, just adjust the amount that you're sending by a little bit. It's probably just due to small Injective fees being paid and needing to have a little bit of Injective left in the wallet to pay those Injective fees. So I did run into that when trying this previously. So just keep that in mind, and we will be back once this completes. All right, guys, and we're back. Looks like that transaction has been confirmed. So now if I go back over to my MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum side, give that a second to refresh here. And I should see those Injective tokens now are back in my MetaMask wallet. So here we go. I see that I have those 8.4 or so tokens. Keep in mind that, again, some of those Injective tokens were taken for gas for the bridge fees. So that concludes the tutorial on how to bridge from Ethereum to Injective and from Injective to Ethereum using MetaMask wallet. Now, if we wanted to go back to the bridge page, go back to that easy withdraw deposit, and let's say this time I want to bridge from my MetaMask wallet, my EVM compatible wallet, to a wallet like Keplr or Leap wallet. Maybe I want to do things with those tokens like trade with them on Osmosis, which is a Cosmos ecosystem DEX, or do some things on Helix or whatnot using the Leap wallet or Keplr wallet extension. I can connect my Ethereum wallet, and you can see I'm going to refresh the balance there. Go to the deposit page where I'm going to have those 8.41 Injective tokens. I can, like I mentioned before, click my wallet extension that I want to transfer to, copy my address, uncheck the lock there, paste my address for my Leap wallet. Let's actually check my balance just to do a sanity check here. So in the Leap wallet right now, I have 2.33 Injective. So I'm going to unclick that, paste in my Leap wallet address, and then confirm address. And let's say I'm going to do those 8.4 Injective tokens. Actually, let's just do 8 to make it a round number. Review deposit. Looks like, double check the wallets. It looks like it auto-populated my MetaMask wallet again there. So I'm going to make sure I do that again. Paste my Leap wallet there, confirm address. All right, it says E2F now, which is my Leap wallet. The amount is 8, review it. Yep, looks like my correct Leap wallet address is in there. Click confirm. And let's see if it now works going to my Leap wallet instead of my MetaMask wallet on the Injective network. And once again, I'm going to pay that Ethereum fee with ETH in my MetaMask wallet. And it is submitting that transaction on the Ethereum network. And that may take a little bit of time. So we'll be patient and be back in a second. All right, looks like we got the message that that transaction is complete. So I can close out of that here. And that transaction is submitted, but now has to go through the bridge. And again, it's going to take a little bit of time here to go through those steps and confirm. So we will check back in a couple minutes here. All right, so this transaction page has been loading for quite some time. I suspected that the transaction had gone through, and I went up to look at my Leap wallet here. And as you can see, that balance has gone from 2.33 Injective to 8.33 Injective, and confirming that those 8 Injective tokens were in fact bridged from my MetaMask Ethereum wallet to my Leap wallet on the Injective network. So we did 3 different types of bridges in this tutorial, from Ethereum to Injective and Injective back to Ethereum. And I hope that this is helpful for you guys. I know this bridging stuff can get a little confusing, but once you figure it out, we can use all those applications like Helix app in the Injective ecosystem. So that's all for this time, guys. Check back for more Ninja Noobie series tutorials on Injective Network, and we'll see you next time from WhisperNode. Take it easy, guys.